It gets brought up on the internet time and time again. Can I repair a damaged wheel? The short answer is sometimes. But not every damaged wheel should be repaired. And in some cases, repairs can actually create a bigger safety risk. Today we're talking about bent, cracked, or broken wheels, when repairs make sense, and when it's time to retire a wheel for good and just replace it. Let's start with how a wheel gets damaged in the first place. The majority of the time it happens from impacts. Whether it's a pothole, curb, railroad crossing, debris, or even missing that speed bump before barreling over it, all of it can put a dent or crack in a wheel, regardless of the brand or style. This is the perfect time to note that wheels are a wear item. Sometimes the tire absorbs enough of the impact, and that's what you'd expect, but sometimes a wheel just doesn't get so lucky. The type of damage depends on how hard the impact was, where it happened, and the construction of the wheel itself. The most common type of damage is a bent wheel, and many times it occurs on the inside barrel because that's where the wheels often take the biggest hit. If it's a mild bend, many professional wheel repair shops can straighten it out for you. However, that does not mean that every bent wheel should be repaired. The important part is having the wheel inspected by a reputable repair facility that understands metallurgy, not someone with a hammer and a hydraulic press off a marketplace. Flow-form wheels deserve a mention because they're built differently than your traditional cast wheel.
I'm built different.
During the manufacturing, the barrel is stretched and compressed under heat using rollers while it's spinning. This process strengthens the aluminum and improves its grain structure. Because of that, a flow-form wheel often has a stronger barrel than your standard cast wheel. But with that said, once the barrel has been heavily damaged, you can't simply reflow form it. Minor bends might be repairable by experienced professionals, but severe damage, especially if cracks are involved, usually means replacement is the way to go. Now let's talk about cracked wheels. This is where things become much more serious, as a crack means the aluminum has actually fractured. It's true, some repair shops offer welding services for cracked wheels, but not every crack is a good candidate for repair. The location of the crack and the size both matter. What's even more important is the intended use for the wheel. If that wheel is going back on a daily driver that sees normal street use, some repairs may be viable depending on the level of damage. But if the wheel is going to see high-performance driving like autocross, track days, drifting, or other types of racing, the answer is much simpler: replace it. The loads experienced during motorsports are way too much to risk failure. Quite a few people assume forged wheels can't be damaged because they're so strong. The reality is they absolutely can. It's true, forged wheels generally require much larger impacts before they fail, but when they do, the same rules apply. Minor bends can sometimes be repaired by a qualified specialist, but cracks and structural failures should be evaluated carefully, and in many cases, replacement is still the smartest and safest decision. And don't forget Scott's favorite saying. In short, there are a few situations where replacement is almost always the right answer. Multiple cracks, cracks near the spoke or the mounting pad, pieces missing. Remember, your wheels are one of the only components connecting your vehicle to the road, and they're supporting thousands of pounds while dealing with cornering forces, braking loads, acceleration, and impacts every time you drive. This isn't an area where cutting corners pays off. If you're ever unsure, don't guess. Have your wheel inspected by a qualified wheel repair specialist, or contact the manufacturer for guidance before putting it back on the car. If you found this video helpful, let us know what topic you'd like to see us cover next. I'm Nick from Konig, and I'll catch you on the next one.